The brave little cloud. Once upon a time, in a big blue sky, there was a little cloud named Puffy. Puffy was different from the other clouds. While the big clouds could thunder and pour rain, Puffy was small and soft, floating along gently with the breeze. Puffy loved to watch the world below and dream of big adventures. One sunny afternoon, Puffy noticed something strange. Far below, in a green valley, a little village was in trouble. The crops in the fields were wilting because there hadn't been any rain for weeks, and the villagers were worried. They needed water. I wish I could help, Puffy thought. But how could a small cloud like him do anything? He was just a puff of air. As Puffy floated closer to the village, he saw a group of birds flying overhead. They were chirping excitedly about a grand festival happening that evening. But then one bird flew up to Puffy and said, "There's no water to make the flowers bloom for the festival. The villagers are sad." Puffy thought hard. "Maybe I can help," he said, determined. "I may be small, but I can try my best." He gathered all his courage and puffed himself up as big as he could. He tried to make himself heavier by filling up with all the moisture in the air. He felt a little wobbly, but he didn't give up. Slowly, tiny droplets began to form, and before long, he had enough water to create a small rain. With a soft pitter-patter, Puffy began to rain gently over